Using Apple gift cards, App Store and iTunes.
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're here to answer a common question. Can I use an Apple gift card to make purchases on the App Store or iTunes? The short answer is yes, but let's dive deeper into this topic to get a better understanding of how it all works.
What is an Apple gift card?
An Apple gift card is a voucher that contains a certain amount of credit that can be used for purchases. This credit is often given as a gift, hence the name. It's like having digital cash that can be used within the Apple ecosystem. These cards can be physical or digital, and you can use them to buy a wide range of products or services.
How to use an Apple gift card on the App Store or iTunes?
When it comes to using your Apple gift card on the App Store or iTunes, the process is quite simple. All you need to do is redeem your card. You can do this by going to your Apple ID account in the App Store, clicking on Redeem Gift Card or Code, and then entering the code from your gift card. The value of the gift card will be added to your Apple ID as a credit, which can be used for future purchases.
What can I purchase with an Apple gift card?
You can use your Apple gift card to make purchases on the App Store, iTunes, and even other Apple properties like iBooks and iCloud. This includes apps, games, music, movies, TV shows, and books. You can also use it to pay for subscriptions like Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, and iCloud storage. To wrap it all up, yes, you can absolutely use an Apple gift card to make purchases on the App Store and iTunes. Whether it's an amazing new app, your favorite song, or even an exciting movie, an Apple gift card can be your key to unlocking the rich and varied content available in Apple's digital stores. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Apple gift cards, don't hesitate to ask. We're always here to help you out.